Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to this channel. My name is Nima, and in this very quick video I'm going to explain how to do reset or reset factory the iPad. This is iPad generation 7 2019 10.2 inch. I'm going to do it very fast because I'm going to give it away my iPad. I'm just censoring my information. Either you want to erase or make a backup, you have to go to the setting, you go to the iCloud under your name, and you choose iCloud backup and backup now. Or if you have some sensitive information, your pictures, you just erase it here. The second thing you need to do, I can just take it away. You have to go to find my iPad and turn it off. And you need to enter your password, if I remember correctly, from iCloud password, not the password you use to enter your device. So it may take a while. Um, After you have done this, you need to then go back and do the reset factory. So I did erase my information. I did remove my Apple ID from this device, but you need to go to your setting and general, and at the bottom you can see um, this one, which is in Norwegian. I'm going to tell you what is in English. Transfer or reset the iPad. And I have two options. One of them is nullify the system, and the second one is erase every content and settings on this iPad, which I'm going to choose now. So then I coming to this page. It shows information about my apps and data on this iPad. Um, and I think I need to enter my iPad password, um, not Apple ID anymore because it's already removed. Let me enter that code. So it just may take a while, a couple of minutes, and we're going to see a same page when we're buying new device from Apple. So I just waiting here. After it shuts down, you just um, turn it on again. It does its job. So after a couple of minutes, we're coming to this page. Back to the factor setting, it's English again. And for the beginning, I need to choose new language, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to give this iPad away. So I hope this video helps you. I'm just checking everything is all right. Thanks everyone for watching. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and consider to subscribe to this channel. Till next time, take care.